Mabuhay! Welcome to Philippine Airlines. Para sa inyong kaligtasan. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! Okay, so in today's video, mag-unbox in today's video. Balik. Hi mga Megs! Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, mag-unboxing tayo nitong nabili naming Echo Smart Speaker plus Alexa. So ayan, ito siya guys. Nabili namin to sa Amazon. We ordered this like 3 days ago. So, magkano to, Chard? So, nabili namin to for 55. So, ito siya, guys. Ang bigat niya. So, let's open it and let's read the description. So, Alexa is happy to Echo connects you to Alexa. She makes life easier by letting you voice control your world. Galang, ganito nilang. Saan ni pag-abri? Aha, ganito pala ang itsura. So, let's open it. Meron siyang kasamang, of course, charger. Ito yung charger niya. And ito yung guide. Yung setup. Mga step-by-step instruction. I-download mo pala to sa ano. Download the Amazon Alexa app. Then, plug in your Echo. Set up your Echo and the Alexa app. So, kailangan muna natin mag-download ng Alexa app. So, tingnan natin guys and i-try natin kung paano to i-play, gamitin. See you later! Flex ko lang ang aming bagong nabiling mini sa motor gamay nga fish tank. May bago na silang bahay. Ang cute. Eto dito, sila na lang, oh. Solong-solo na kayong tatlo dyan. Si Everyhan. Linda! Si Linda! Nanginig Linda. So, ito na.
Ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions. Hallo, dein Gerät kann jetzt eingerichtet werden. Lade dazu die Alexa-App runter und folge den Anweisungen. Bonjour, votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions. Ciao, il dispositivo è pronto per la configurazione.
Wala ko naintindihan.
Scarica l'app Alexa e segui le istruzioni. Hola, el dispositivo está listo para que lo configures.
Tignan natin later.
Descarga la app Alexa y sigue las instrucciones. Okay, there are a lot of fun and helpful things I can do. Here's a quick introduction to some things to try. Let's get started.
Okay.
To talk to me, just say my name and ask me a question. Try saying this, Alexa, what's the weather?
Alexa, what's the weather?
Sorry, something went wrong on my end.
Ugly.
Let's move on for now.
Next.
Here's exercising or doing laundry. Timer for now.
Alexa. Ako daw. Ako naman daw, be. Ako naman daw, sige daw. Hi, Alexa. How are you today?
I didn't get that. Try saying, Alexa,
Alexa,
add
ganun mo na
bananas
kay
to my
Alexa.
shopping list.
Alexa, how are you?
Sorry, I didn't get
Nabungol
that.
makaliksaw.
Let's move on for now. Let's move on to the last part of this introduction.
Yeah,
I'll ask you a few questions to see what you like. Then, I'll send recommendations via your Alexa app. First question. I've got incredible skills.
Ano daw?
Skills are like apps for Alexa, so you can do more, like play games, order a pizza,
Ay, nako,
or
yun
listen
lang
to
pala
a
yun.
meditation. Do you
Hindi
want
pa
to learn
masyado
more
na
about
set up
skills?
ni Richard. Na Richard.
Got it. One more thing.
Alexa, why my husband's tummy is big?
I don't know that one.
How come you don't know, Alexa?
Una lagi Alexa di kuan.
Ah, no. No, what? Okay. Let's try again one more time. Sige na. Suti na try. Mabuhay! Welcome to Philippine Airlines. Para sa inyong kaligtasan. Imitating Igna Magnay, the original voice over of Philippine Airlines. Mag-copyright ko dudong! Si Richard, uy. Richard, ask some more question. Mag-usap tayo ni Alexa. Alexa, where am I now?
You're at Le Chateau, Victoria Road Street, Peters Port, Guernsey GY11JB. Le Chateau, Victoria Road, St. Peters Port, Guernsey GY11JB in Guernsey.
Well done, Alexa. Perfect. Ikaw may tanugan ni Alexa? Lang. Something. Alexa, sing for me.
I know a song that'll get on your nerves.
Lingkanta.
Get on your nerves. I know a song that'll get on your
Lingkanta
nerves. Get on your nerves.
Wow,
I know
nice
a song
voice.
that'll get on
Please
your
stop
nerves.
singing.
Get on your nerves. Get
Stop.
on your nerves.
Alexa, stop.
I know a song
Oh,
that'll
hunong.
get on your nerves.
Wala lingaw. Yun, lingog mo. Ay, nako. Okay. Ayan na, tapos na ang ating pag-unbox na ano ba itong walang klarong unboxing. It's already, what time is it? 6:20 na. Kailangan ko namang nantya na uniform ni
It
Richard.
was released in September 2015 as the third
So,
and
plancha
final
muna tayo,
single from Rich's
guys.
second studio album, Where It's At.
Muna kayo guys, mga megs. Mga megs na daw tawag, sabi ni Hansel. Tawag ko sa mga subs, sa aking mga viewers. So, plancha tayo. Ay.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza.
Ay, palobat na. Ay, palobat na ako guys. So, I'm gonna end this vlog. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Bye! Mag-bye ka muna, dear. Lang. Alexa, say goodbye to my viewers. Ay, lang. Bye! Ay, naku, di siya si Richard. Bye, guys!